Here's what I picked up so far. Got this skid steer at an auction. It's an AG Industrial KTT23. Comes with a bucket, a little toolbox, keys, and that's about it. So put it into the utility trailer here. I'm gonna drag it home and then lift it out with the excavator when I get home. Towing it with the Silverado EV-RST. We are putting about 500-600 on the tongue, which is perfect. This one can do 1,000 on the tongue, 10,000 total, so we should be good. Distribution's looking good. Here are the specs for this mini skid steer. So it looks like we can carry about 200 kilos, and that should be plenty for moving sand around, which is what I'll be doing for both construction and some pool building. I'm all loaded up, ready to go. We got a strap down. Probably gone under the railing here, but that's what we got. And also one on the back here to an anchor. Almost have it off. Initially I tried to get it off with a mini excavator, but it was not strong enough. So then I tried to build a ramp here. The ramp was rejected by my wife with a much smarter idea to actually use topography. So here we have a little bit of a hill. Put the ramps out, filled it underneath with some firewood, and driven it off. Now I'm going to drive the rest. I'll be spreading some 1.5-inch clean basalt with my mini skid steer today. It is quite loud, but yeah, just recently started parking it inside. Before that it was covered, parked outside. Quite a bit of rust because of it, so I'll be treating it better from now on. Along for a ride with me. looks awesome. For the finale, I'm gonna park it in there, and it's all gonna go very well. That way, the weight of the hydraulics is over there. I did it. Not a problem at all. Just got to remember to turn the battery off, which is over here somewhere. There. All right. Nice. All right, guys. That is it for this time. I hope you enjoyed checking it out. We've had it now for about 3 months, and we had nothing but great things to say about it. It was left outside, so we got water in the fuel. But once we drained that and put in new fuel, it has been running super smoothly. So I recommend it. You can get it on Alibaba. We bought it at a local auction, but I'll put a link below to the Alibaba link so you can at least see all the specs. Anyway, that is it. Please like and subscribe to follow along, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.